What if everything you've heard about ChatGPT is wrong? What if Most people think ChatGPT thinks like a human. It doesn't. It predicts. Imagine I ask you to finish this sentence. Peanut butter and... Your brain instantly knows the answer because it understands meaning. ChatGPT doesn't. Instead, it calculates which next word is statistically most likely to appear. Most of the time. That's exactly why it's right. But sometimes, probability chooses confidence over truth. So, if ChatGPT isn't truly thinking, what exactly is intelligence? Every answer begins the same way. Thousands of possible words compete with each other. Only one survives. Then the process repeats. Again and again. One prediction at a time. Until it becomes an entire conversation. That's the secret. ChatGPT isn't searching for the truth. It's predicting the most likely next word. And somehow, that simple idea changed the world.